Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The show is
Okay.
about to begin.
All right. Okay, guys. This is a testing thing. I don't know if you can hear the engine noise and everything. Currently in my parking, I just did the warm up. Then there is my Bluetooth is also turned on. I'm trying to listen to good music. After so long, I'm kind of heading out in this time of the day. So let's see. See, this setup, I really did not even thought that going to do something like this. But I really wanted to test this out. Hopefully, hopefully it turns out as I am expecting. Let's see. There's my another beauty standing there. Woo! Too many bikes, man. Okay. Okay, I did this noise cancellation thing also. I mean, it's enabled right now. Hopefully it should do its job also. But then yeah, we'll see. Because I think I'm really not sure. I'm guessing it's kind of getting. The engine noise. It is picking up engine noise. I am guessing so. Let's see. Okay. Bye. Okay. So let's see. Not sure, but I think today, I don't know. Deva. Okay, you will get to hear this a lot because that's my kind of habit. And I don't know, when the boredom kind of hits, this is what I tend to say. One would be Are Deva, the second would be Deva, Parmeshwara, Panduranga. And these are like common things that I do. Okay. Let's see. Now people are going to judge me by saying like Maharashtrian आहेस, Marathi बोल. I know Marathi बोलू शकतो, but the thing is, this is like I said, this is just my first vlog, and then I'm just trying to see how it really works. If it turns out to be good, the sound quality when I'm trying to go into edit stuff, this particular thing, then I think it should give me some decent idea that okay, now I think we can go ahead, maybe try doing some more kind of quick city spins, I would say, like this. This literally doesn't have any meaning. There is literally no agenda, like I said. It is just going to be just cruising around the city, pretty much, capturing reactions, maybe if there are. See, there is nothing specific or special about my bike also. It is just basic. People are not really going to, notice it, but yeah, let's see. Okay, the mic is connected, yeah. Because I have applied the mic here, just below my chin level. So I don't know. I'm just trying to see if it really works. Yeah. So let's see. If that works, it's good. Okay, I should go. I should wait. So let the bus pass, maybe. Thank you, Dada. Okay, let me pass. This is really fun, guys. I don't know. This is really fun. This is really nice when I actually do this. It's really like kind of going to do the same thing. So, it's good. I don't know what else to say. When you tend towards you will have to basically do stuff like this. Really a monsoon season. Oh shit. Look at that, guys. I think it's Lamborghini. Oh yes,
Wow.
it is. Okay, let me get a quick view. Nice. Okay, definitely a special one. I think that's Urus. I hope that's how it is. Pronunciation is Urus. Lamborghini Urus. Let me take a quick look around from the front. Yeah, it's definitely Urus, I think. Yes, it is. It is. Looks very nice. It looks sexy actually. Okay, now I'm not definitely going to compare it with my XUV 700. That's for sure. I mean, they really don't be comparing to each other because both hold their own values. And I'll take a stop ahead. I'll probably take a stop ahead. I'm not really making my bike work today. There is no need, I think.